All of Bahrain's roads led to Sakhir yesterday evening as the curtain fell on the 5th Bahrain International Airshow. Thousands flocked to the venue, the Sakhir Airbase, and hundreds of people even set up camp outside to enjoy the breathtaking aerobatic stunts and display flying by veteran teams including the Russian Knights and a solo performance of the RAF Typhoon. The signature show was a record breaker, both in terms of visitors and business deals. More than 30,000 people attended the show, while deals totaling $5.5 billion were signed. The next edition of the prestigious show is scheduled for November 2020.